Headmasters and students of Langlokso RA School appeal immediate release of teachers. Craft demonstration program inaugurated at Inglongcherop Depot on 26 September. Merabheti Forest Subbit official seized illicit timbers at Kalyoni River, Bokialghat on 24 September. Good morning, viewers. You are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. The missing of Maneswar Kalita, teacher of Langlokso RA School, had consequently affected the academic studies. Therefore, by considering all this fact, the headmaster and students of Langlokso RA School appealed the immediate release of Maneswar Kalita safe and sound. The police department were engaged in a rescue operation of Maneswar Kalita, teachers of Langlokso RA School, from the moment he was reported missing since 30th of August. During this rescue operation, Kanya Togbi, Karbi language teacher, was also kept under the police custody for interrogations and investigation purpose by the police. Hence, the headmaster and students of Langlokso RA School plead to set free at the earliest. On 26 of September, when our correspondents visited the school to get the factual news about the incidents, headmaster of the school informed that he had gone missing on 30th August midway to the school.
30 তাৰিখে মনেশ্বৰ কলিতাই ঘৰত স্কুল যাম বুলি কৈ আহিছে। আহি মানে আমাৰ এজন ষ্টাফক তেওঁ জনাইছে, তেওঁৰ নাম হ'ল কানিয়া টকবি, যে মই তেল ভৰাই আছো, মই আহি আছো বুলি। তাৰপিছত তেখেতে প্ৰায় 2 বাজিলৈকে স্কুলত আহি পোৱা নাই। আমি কানিয়া টকবি আৰু মই নিজে হেডমাষ্টাৰ এই 6-7 মই পঢ়াইছো, কানিয়া টকবি 8ত পঢ়াইছে আৰু আমাৰ এলপি স্কুলৰ বাইদেউ আছে, তাতো ক্লাছ হৈ আছে। প্ৰায় 2 বাজিলৈকে তেওঁ স্কুলত আহি পোৱা নাই।
The students of Langlokso RA School also expressed their grievances and difficulties they are going through due to the absence of both the teachers.
Lasi isi choning ridon jibang kiralo madua song le ponola sarkulita han mesen kai od adur ateng pen dak school hem nang pacheli phansi nilihin pen choning ridon do itum student nahin pen.
Samsing Inti reports from Dokmuka for KAL Live. On 26 of September, inaugural ceremony of craft demonstration program organized by Helping Hand for Artisans for Cluster, Artisans on Artistic Textile and Hand Embroidery Craft under Ambedkar Hasleaf Vikas Yojana AHVY has turned in present by Bidya Singh Inglang MLA and Dorsing Ronghang MLA at Inglongcherop Community Hall, Diphu. The craft demonstration program was initiated from 26 of September and would conclude on 1st October. The program is an initiative of Helping Hand for Artisans to promote handicraft and display their work and handmade embroideries within the span of 6 days, that is from 26 September to 1st of October. Bidya Singh Inglang MLA and Dorsing Ronghang MLA attended as a guest at the inaugural ceremony and inaugurated the craft demonstration program. Madhuram Lekthe, EM KAL Autonomous Council, Amar Singh Tiso, EM KAL Autonomous Council, Tilotama Hasnu, MEC and several important dignitaries were also present during the inaugural ceremony. On these occasions, how to be independent and self-reliant being a woman through handicraft, handloom and textiles was also instructed in school by Sabina Teronpi. Let us hear what she has to say.
Prang la anso se la karbi atum motif mate amang la pena design la anso se paklang pontek dia phan nilitum paklang ta paklang lo amang ta pharopo an nilitum amang ta design nilitum ka othai tang do.
Now, let us hear what Madhuram Lekthe, EM in charge, Handloom and Textile, KAL Autonomous Council said while briefing to the media in these occasions.
KAL Autonomous Council pen fokuson si Labangso Department ang songan kepala dumpen ilitum dak district along an pieri mithanga jutanga jubat mithanga traditional mokha sonji pato propunjiba mithanga council department pen asokutha glanta CM sa itu chungnai Dr. Tugiram alang ita kapori conflict diglo.
News report KAL Live. On 24th of September, forest officials of Merabheti Forest Subbit under northeastern Silonesian forest range falling under Nilip MEC constituency seized illicit timbers at Kalyani River, Bokial Ghat. No signs of seizing illicit trafficking of resources in Karbi Anglong. Due to rapid jump in deforestation, it has impacted the global atmospheric temperature, consequently affecting the change in climate globally. Likewise, the temperature of Karbi Anglong also reaches up to the mark of 40 degrees Celsius during summer. But so far, no sign of seizing this illicit trafficking of resources could be seen. On 24th of September, around 4:30 p.m. evening, the information of hoarding more than 70 numbers of timbers in trip-park truck near Kalyani River at Bokial Ghat was given to Kanggora Teron, Bogijan Forest Account Beat Officer. And acting upon the information, he along with Renon Crow, Merabheti Forest Sub-Beat Forester 1 and Tilok Jigdung Forester 1 with more than 20 staff reached the spot and seized the contrabands in their possession. The contraband seized was later brought to Bogijan Forest Account Beat Office. It was informed that as many as 77 numbers of timber was seized and the timber seized falls in B Class 1 category. It was the timbers of Bonsam and Bogipoma. The timbers were on its way to delivered at Golaghat district.
67 piece look. These are almost 60-70 on bundle. Exact in the hundred.
Kaya tingin kilo na yun?
Ini species ke Laliben Elika. So ini species look.
B class na?
B1.
The forest officials informed that whoever is responsible for such activity would be hunted down and punish them according to laws.
Itu nufis dan tentu tak don't have the proper some language music on pakai kita berjuang juga. Akal है जब इन फ्यूचर लोगों ने चुपचाप के सीधी दादा मैंने जुनी दिलो.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola and Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.